What is going on, guys? I'm in Bushwick, Brooklyn today. Me and my buddy are pretty much gonna walk down the track to see what anything cool we can find. He's telling me go down this tunnel. There's apparently an abandoned train station inside, so we're gonna take a look. Yeah, right. It's almost like an illusion, the end of the tunnel. Yeah. It's so far, but it's so close, but it's so far. Just keep, yeah, the size it's like the same. Almost at the end of the tunnel. Something's wrong somewhere. Oh, all the way up there. Oh, you can't see in the camera, but subway. The subway, yeah. It's when it goes like way above ground. The L train. L train. Yeah. Dude, this is like literally like an abandoned like train station right here. This dock. It's a legit dock.
It's like this group. There's this group in Brooklyn. They're called like the Renegade.
Yeah.
And they throw like these crazy parties, like raves.
Oh yeah.
Like 1,000 people type shit.
Yeah.
Dude, they were supposed to do it in here like a month ago.
Yeah.
But they canceled it because it flooded.
Oh, did it flood?
But dude, they were supposed to have like a DJ down there, and there was supposed to be like a shit ton of people in there.
No way.
Partying.
That's kind of cool.
It's sick, right? I don't know.
Nice.
You want to continue?
Oh, I'll definitely continue. I guess that used to be like the way to go up. Used to be stairs going up there, I guess.
So much make like cement, like
ramps. Dude, I was thinking the exact same thing. Have a skate park down. Yeah, it's really smooth ground. If you think about it, like this.
This should be so sick.
Yeah, it's literally an abandoned station. So the goal for today is to go from Bushwick, Brooklyn, all the way out to Bay Ridge. Now, this is probably gonna be like, what do you think, 15 miles, maybe more? 10? Something like that.
Crazy,
Like the wall?
the metal, yeah.
Dude, it looks like a third world country here. Finding basketballs out here.
Oh yeah, bro. About to make like 200 bucks today, hopefully.
It always blows my mind how much trash is on the side of the tracks all the time, like any like city. Like it seems like it just all sorts of kind of collects down here. Oh, another one? Oh man.
What's up, guys?
How's it going?
Yeah, we're just continuing at that school. We're just continuing down on the track at that school. Yeah. I'm just looking for old basketball. No, sure. Yeah. Okay,
Thank you.
Yeah, we're just continuing walking all the way to Bay Ridge. Go, bro.
How it going?
Thank you.
Oh, what? That's what I was saying. Yo, look how this is like so much pollution.
Oh, dude, it's like the microplastics.
Microplastics, like, yo, look at this. I thought we were walking in sand for a second. There's more of it. What the? Strange. These little orbs. Yeah. Dude, that's the future. It's like everything's just gonna be like that plastic right there. It's gonna be deserts of that shit. Just looked up where we are. We just passed Brownsville, and now we're gonna be pretty much heading into Canarsie. So, see if we can find anything else that's pretty cool. So far, we got that train station. It's abandoned. Probably causing traffic.
Holy shit. Dude, that's like a walkway to someone's house. This is all like their shit.
Yeah, I guess to their front yard. Got a lot of bikes.
Where the basketballs at though?
See if he's got any. Give him like $1 for each ball.
Bro, these sneakers, if these are real, bro.
Hey, Shay, you're real.
Bro, if these sneakers are real, they're like $1,500.
You think so?
Dude, I can't tell if they're fake.
Oh, I have nobody to tell. Air Jordans. I can't tell you. I don't know nothing about shoes.
There's only one in each.
Yeah. Quite a ways down, and we're still not near a destination. I don't know for how long we could go through this, but it's early in the day that we started. Right now, it's what's the time? 12 o'clock. And I don't know, maybe we can reach the end.
Like and subscribe down below. Here we go, big bang.
Oh, you found another one. And hey, there's a football here.
Oh yeah? Wish I could use the football.
You may never know. So if you're wondering why my buddy's collecting basketballs, it's for an art piece. Some artist like needs them, so he's just collecting it for them. He used that for the tunnels. Yeah, that's so weird. Like this building, like the front of it's so old, but they kept that, and it looks like they just built more like a newer section of it, but kept the front. We're actually gonna be walking underneath Brooklyn College. Just got a little strip of it that like you actually walk underneath. I'm surprised like we've been here for like hours, walking on these tracks
Crazy, right?
for hours, and like no train has come.
Oh no, the trains don't roll through here.
Oh, at all? I thought just freights.
I mean freights, but dude, maybe like once a week or.
Oh really? That's it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is where the school would be.
Up top.
Like I feel like that wall right there is part of the school.
Yeah,
It's got like vents and stuff. Yeah, right. Kind of crazy that there's a whole parking garage above the tracks.
Hello. 2003 man.
You done?
Hey bro, you ever know basketball playing around? No.
So we're just walking here, and then these houses are so strange. It's like boarded up. I don't even know what is
It's not
this.
even boarded up. It's like something. It's like mid-construction.
Mid-construction, just abandoned?
Just abandoned, but that's not even like the walls you use. It's like plywood.
Yeah. So we actually did stumble upon like a case of CDs. There's so many like good CDs in here. I'm actually gonna hold on to it because I'm actually one of those people that holds on to CDs. You got Korn, 9 Inch Nails, 5 Finger Death Punch. Stranger Than Fiction CD. I mean DVD. I think there's actually some movies in here. Yeah, this is a pretty good find. Santana. Nirvana. Oh no. That would have been good. Screw it, I collect CDs. Rocks. Led Zeppelin. Yeah, good find. Got a little water. I think the CDs should be good. Get in there.
Get in there.
Definitely get in there. I'm a happy camper. Found a case of CDs. I think it's a sweet find.
Another basketball.
Yeah, been collecting so many over here.
How hard this is.
Oh, I got cut in it. Yeah, that got like tough. No good.
No good.
Yo, who remembers this? Conquer? Conquer's Bad Fur Day. Great game. How much further do you think?
Probably like a half hour.
All right. We've been literally like just walking for hours now. What time is it? What did we get? 10 o'clock?
10:15.
10:15. It's already just about 3 o'clock.
5 hours.
Oh man. It's over here.
Yo, we gotta go quick, right?
Okay.
Ready? Yo, you know which track not to step on, man? Don't step on.
On that?
Don't touch it. It's electricity, bro. Don't touch that. Yeah.
Oh, it's like a hidden spot in here. Yeah, I guess so.
1914.
Wow. That is crazy if you think about it.
You get out of here?
Yeah. A couple guys panning over there.
Where?
Like back there.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I figure like you're bound to like run into that.
Bro, this is the destination. We made it.
The destination, yeah?
Yeah.
Bay Ridge?
We made it, kid.
Oh man. What a long walk. I can't tell you how exhausted I am. I don't even know how many miles we just walked. So that's it, right? It ends up in like a train yard?
That's it. The train yard, baby.
That's the end. We reached pretty much the water. All right, now what? Get some food or something. Go home. Usually bad at going through those things. Right now we're in Red Hook, trying to make our way back.
This shit again, bro?
Yeah, man, we're...
This shit again.
Yeah, man, this adventure's not done. You gotta get home now. It's gonna take a while.
That long strip of nothing.
That's it. I don't have a train really quick. Let's see.
Dude, 10 exact.
10 exact. That's crazy.
10 exact.
You called it, yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Zoom out some more. That's insane, yeah. Just walked a lot today. Yeah, I know, right?
Condos.
We are finally back. It's been a long day. I can't believe we just walked that much. That was way too much. That's a lot more than I usually walk. And make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you think about this adventure. It's kind of just weird.
Hit the like button down below.
It's saying hit the like button, do that. And then, yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.